Nike reimagines a legend for fall 2025 with the Air Force 1 Low Bred, a bold nod to the iconic black and red color scheme rooted in MJ's infamous banned Air Jordan 1. The sneaker features a base of tumbled black leather, enhanced by striking red swooshes and branding hits on the heel, tongue, and midsole. Subtle yet impactful, red stitching outlines each panel, while a chrome lace dubrae adds a polished edge. Underfoot, the clean black sole keeps the look classic and grounded. While the Air Force 1 has undergone countless transformations over the decades, this edition captures history with crisp execution. By channeling the high-drama energy of the original band theme, without flashy updates or unnecessary tweaks, Nike delivers a timeless tribute with just the right attitude. The Bred AF1 Low isn't just another colorway, it's a story retold through leather and thread. Look for this pair to drop later in 2025 via Nike.com.